Welcome back to another weekend Get It All Done motivational video. So every weekend my husband and I try to tackle a to-do list that we keep ongoing. So a few weekends ago we did get a chance to pressure wash the back patio. However, it was so cold and windy, he just decided to stop at that. So it was much nicer this weekend. It was in the 70s here in Ohio. So here's a quick before of our front driveway and the walkway and even the side patio where you can't really see. You could park a boat or an RV there if you'd like. But he did get this pressure wash, and while he was doing this, a few times during the spring and summer I like to wipe down the black shutters. They start looking white with all the oxidization that happens on them from the sun. So I just take a wet rag. This is a very car washing rag. It's super soft, and I just wipe it down with just water, and I do this gently because they're just barely there on the vinyl siding. I don't want them to fall off. But these shutters have been on here since the house was built in '84, so I don't want to replace them. I rather just keep them. So over the years of me washing these with the water a few times during the spring and summer, you could tell a huge difference. So not much oxidation comes off. It's mostly just dirt and grime, which you'll be able to see the nasty water once I do a couple shutters. So you can see how gross this water is after just doing part of one shutter. I'll pan back up and you can kind of actually see a difference so far. It's not completely dry, but you can tell a huge difference between the top and the bottom of the shutter where I actually did wash and what needs to be washed. Huge difference already. So the husband's already making a lot of headway on the bottom of the driveway. He decided to start at the bottom and work his way back up. Huge difference so far. Okay, here's the tub of water just after doing the first two shutters on the living room window, and oh Lord, it is so gross. So I had to change this water for every single window that I did. I didn't believe it was that nasty, but in years past it would be clear white because of the oxidation. So well worth it. Just free, just cost of water. Just grab a tub of water and a soft rag. Please try this out on your shutters. So fast forward, I did finish the shutters. They look so much better right now. I also went ahead and wiped down the front of these window boxes in the front too, just to clean them up. I know on the inside they look gross, but once we put the flowers in there in a few weeks, you won't even notice the inside. So the driveway's almost done, but look at this big, huge difference. This is probably one of the dirtier spots on the driveway. So much better. And if you're curious, this is the pressure washer that we are using. We just picked it up this year from Sam's Club. It is a Sunjoe. The driveway is finally done. It did take a few hours, but it's a huge difference. Just night and day between the old yucky looking driveway and now it's so nice and clean. Now moving on to inside the house, I had a little bit of time left in the day, so I decided to tidy up the master bedroom, and of course my little dog Wags had to help. He's looking out the window because the window blinds are actually open for once. So I'm going to finish making the bed because I never did finish in the morning. And then I'm going to do some laundry, and then I'm going to follow up by vacuuming the master bedroom, hallway, living room, and then my daughter does vacuum her own room. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment.